Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title: a P2P-Based market-guided distributed routing mechanism for hybrid wireless networks. Abstract: a hybrid wireless network is an integration of mobile wireless ad-hoc network that is managed and the wireless infrastructure networks. The routing function is the main base of any routing protocol for any network and particularly for ad-hoc networks. The proposed routing called Distributed Route Discovery and the Dissemination Protocol provides secure and efficient communication with fault node recovery algorithm. This is the enhancement work of our project. The simulation results show increase in the performance of the network. Let's see the flow of our process. First, the network is formed with the number of mobile nodes and the base station. Then, the source nodes generate data to transfer to the destination. To generate that, the directive routing is performed to find the route. Since it includes the mobile nodes, the topology is changed dynamically. So, while finding route, the fault node in the route is verified. If a fault node is occurred in the route, then by using the FNR algorithm, it recovers the node by boosting up the energy to the fault node. Else, it establishes the route and performs the data transmission. After that, the performance analysis is done, which is comparing with the existing system. Let's see the running procedure of our project. First, open the terminal window, then go to the directory where we have the code. Then type ns space filename.tcl. The nodes is created and the distance between each and every node is updated. Also, the routing table is also updated, which is print in the terminal window. This is the network animator window. Here only we see the simulation result. These are the number of nodes. To run the simulation, click play button. These four are the base stations that are created in the network. We can speed up the process using this button. Now, since it is a mobile network, the mobile nodes are moved in the transmission range. Now the source node is created and the destination node is created, which is far away from to themselves. So first the source node transfers to the nearby base station and the base station further forwards to the destination base station. For that, a relay node is used since the transmission range is larger. The base station chooses a relay node and it forwards to that node. Here 4 is a relay node and the base station forwards to that node and it further forwards to the base station. This node occurs as a fault, so only it changes to the green color. Now the fault node is recovered by giving energy by the neighbor mobile node, that is 27. So it gives energy to the fault node and it recover from that and starts communication. So it transfers to the base station. The same process is done between these two base stations. So this base station travels to the destination by only through the base station 3. Here another communication is processed between the mobile node and the base station. Now the base station chooses the relay node 21 and it further forwards to the destination base station and then the packet is forwarded to the destination. This is the communication process of the hybrid wireless network. We using the directive protocol for this communication. uh, to find the route, and also the fault not recovery mechanism is also included. Now the packet reaches the destination. The performance of the network is analyzed in the graph. To see the graph results, back to the terminal window and type GNU plot graph name dot plot. This is the packet delivery ratio graph. In x-axis, the number of nodes is varied, and in y-axis, packet delivery ratio is find out and plotted. The existing protocol has this packet delivery ratio. By using the titrate, we have achieved a higher packet delivery ratio. To see the another graph, type GNU plot graph2 dot plot. Here this is the throughput graph. Same as the number of nodes is varied in x-axis and throughput is plotted in y-axis. The throughput is calculated in megabits per second. The existing protocol has less throughput, but the proposed protocol, that is TriRip, achieves the higher throughput. From these results, the performance of the network is increased than the existing system.